Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create this cinematic like school episodes that you see on YouTube, I guess. So the theme is, I see these a lot. I don't know why. Like, guy won't show up. I mean, girl or guy doesn't want to show their face. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Their face on at school. Sorry, that's what I meant to say. I'm just gonna park here. So you are going to go to the avatar section, and you're going to go to the hat menu and type in paper bag, and just select the one that you think looks cute, I guess. I don't know. Let's do this one. And just add it. You're going to also want to remove the hair, I guess, if you have any. So go to equip and just remove the hair here. Press done, and that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.